In this video, you will understand why users are the most important aspect of product management and what are the different stages a user goes through in a product. Hello to episode number 3 of Product Management Crash Course. Today, we are talking about the most important thing in product management, that is, I guess, is users. But why are we even talking about them? Isn't money, that is revenue or profit, more important to companies? Yeah, that is true. But let's see how a business typically earns money. Majorly, there are two types of sources. Either directly selling a product or a service and getting paid for that. Example, like Apple selling iPhones or MacBook to you and me, and we are the users. Or a company like Spotify selling its music subscription. So, both these companies are selling a product and earning money through that. What is the other type? The other way to earn money is by showing ads, like Google, like Facebook usually does. They show us ads and earn money from the advertisers. So instead of selling us any product, they are monetizing on our data. If they show us more relevant ads, the higher chances they have to get more money from the advertisers. But now you realize there's a centerpiece to both these models, and that is users. Either the user is making a purchase or watching an ad. So with this information, you now know the mantra to more revenue and profit. Solve a problem for the users and give them the best experience meanwhile. If iPhone keeps on improving the experience, users will keep on buying new iPhones. And if Instagram keeps on solving the problem for me, that is, to give me mindless entertainment at a tap when I'm bored, I'll in turn also watch ads and provide them the ad revenue. This is why users are the most important aspect of building a product. Now that you understand why users are the most important aspect of product management, let's look at the different stages a user goes through when exploring a product. If you look at this picture, you see a funnel that's getting thinner as it goes down. Let's take an example of Zepto, the 10-minute delivery app, as the product and you as the user. The first time you have heard about it would have been through a news article or by a friend or some post by an ad. This is the discovery phase for you. There's a chance you might have downloaded the app. Now, once you have downloaded the app, the next thing you would do is to register and create an account on the app. If you do complete the steps, congrats, you have completed your onboarding. This is probably the second stage a user goes through in a product. The next stage is activation. When is a user activate? Ideally, the first time when the user gets the aha moment while using the product is when you consider them as an activated user. In your case, the first time you order from Zepto and got the order in less than 10 minutes, that's the aha moment for you. You turned into an activated user. A sneak peek, companies focus a lot on turning a user into an activated user. And hence, you get so much discounts for the first few orders. Isn't that a cool fact? When you keep on ordering from Zepto, you turn into an engaged user, where you are repeatedly using the product as and when you need at a given time interval. For example, if you do one order per week, you are a weekly active user. If you do one order per month, you are a monthly active user. When would you be considered as a retained user? You would be considered as a retained user if you order every month for 3 months straight. Then you are a 3-month retained user. Or if you do it for the 6 months, you are a 3-month retained user. Time period can change according to the type of company. Remember, retention is a function of time. Once you are retained, there's a high probability you would refer it to your friends because you're liking the service and the experience Zepto is providing you. And hence, this is how typically a user travels in the funnel of a product. If you zoom out and look at this funnel as a whole, out of the 100 users who discover a product, only 4 to 5 users who reach to the last stage of preference. If you understand this cycle, if you understand this funnel, well, you have walked your first step in product management. That is understanding users. I hope this video was able to help you understand about users and how do they explore a product and their life cycle. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. The best thing that you can do is to share it with your friends and help them learn more about product. If you have any feedback on this video or the whole series, do drop in your comment. I'll get back to you. Do join in my community to get in touch with me and hundreds of product people on Slack. It's free. The link is in the description. Cheers. Bye-bye.